Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best hiking stroller that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Evenflo Pivot Xplore All-Terrain Stroller Wagon. The Pivot Xplore from Evenflo is a low-profile double stroller suitable for use on all terrain types. If you want a stroller for 2 kids, this is easily the best option for you. It's a push-pull stroller, so you can maneuver it around in a way that's most convenient at any given moment. The 2 spacious seats in the stroller are separated with a tray for 2 that has a cup holder on either side. Also, the stroller has 2 reversible canopies that will protect your little ones from harmful UV rays, which is essential for warm weather hikes. The wheels are quite big and feature rugged all-terrain tires. Whether you're taking your kids for a ride around town or on a hike over rocky terrain, the wheels are up to the task. Additionally, the Pivot Xplore stroller also features several baskets and pockets for cargo storage. There's one basket near the handle, for any items you want to keep easily accessible while you're maneuvering the stroller. There's also a roomy basket below the seats, as well as water bottle pockets on the sides. The stroller folds for easy storage and transportation when you're not using it, which is quite convenient. It's still very bulky, but that's expected from a double stroller with rugged wheels. Moving on at number 4, we have the Mountain Buggy Terrain Premium Jogging Stroller. The Mountain Buggy stroller is one of the best options for parents who need a versatile stroller. It's one of the heavier options at 28.5 pounds, but it's by far the most versatile stroller out of the bunch. This is designed for children up to 36 months of age who don't weigh more than 55 pounds, so it should be good enough for most toddlers who are still using a stroller. The cool thing about the Mountain Buggy stroller is that it comes with 2 sets of wheels. One set includes rugged all-terrain wheels that are perfect for hiking adventures, and you also get a set of smaller wheels that's perfect for a concrete sidewalk. The stroller is highly adjustable, and that's exactly why it's one of the top options out of the bunch. Also, you have 2 braking options. There's a handbrake that lets you control speed on difficult terrain, as well as a foot pedal that lets you stop the stroller in its tracks. Both can be used with either set of wheels, so whether you're casually strolling around the town or conquering a hiking trail, you will certainly have full control of it. Additionally, this all-terrain stroller also features a large cargo basket below the child seat, as well as some extra cargo pockets just below the handle. One of the pockets even has a headphone port, in case you want to listen to some music while the little one is napping. The stroller seat is padded and has a 5-point harness that guarantees your child stays put. Also, the canopy is water repellent and protects from UV rays, ensuring that the toddler stays comfortable inside the stroller regardless of the actual weather conditions. At number 3, we have the HPZ Pet Rover Titan Stroller. The HPZ Pet Stroller is excellent if you want something for a big animal or even 2 medium-sized animals. The maximum weight capacity of the stroller is 100 pounds, which should be generous enough even for bigger dogs. And the seat is roomy enough that your dogs can make themselves comfortable inside the stroller, while the no-zip canopy protects them from UV rays and the rain. The canopy is resistant to scratches, it has easy locking latches for instant access to your pet, and there are mesh cutouts on the sides that ensure your pets get enough air but also lets them enjoy the view. There are also windows and openings on the basket itself, so your pets can peek outside even if they're comfortably lying down. Also, the basket includes a washable pad, so even if your dog makes a mess inside, at least you know it will be really easy to clean. One thing worth noting is that this stroller has a retractable ramp that makes it really easy for dogs with bad legs to climb inside. The frame of this stroller is made from aluminum, so it's as light as it can be. Unfortunately, it still weighs around 38 pounds, so it's not like you'll be able to move quickly. But in any case, if you want to go on long hikes with a dog that gets tired easily, this stroller will be immensely helpful. The handle is covered with PU leather for good grip, and there's a cup holder attached to the frame of the stroller. Also, there's a lot of cargo space on the HPZ Pet Stroller. You get a large underseat basket, 3 pockets, and 4 accessory hooks. On top of all that, there are also rugged rubber wheels. There are 4 of them, so the stroller will remain perfectly stable regardless of the terrain. The front wheels are double and they swivel, for even better performance on more rough terrain types. At number 2, we have the Baby Trend Expedition Stroller. The Baby Trend Expedition Stroller is a great option for parents with only one child. It's a good stroller for hiking adventures because of the large and rugged all-terrain wheels. Also, it's not very expensive. The stroller retails for a little over $100, so it's definitely one of the better budget-friendly options. This stroller features a comfortable padded seat with a 5-point harness that can hold children who weigh no more than 50 pounds. Your little one will be safely tucked in the stroller, which is important for longer hikes on rough terrain. Perhaps the best feature of this hiking stroller is the rugged wheels. There are 2 big wheels in the back and a smaller swivel wheel in the front. All wheels have rough and textured tires, for easy maneuvering over different terrain types. The front wheels locks, which is mostly useful for jogging. There's a removable plastic tray for the little ones on the front of the stroller, as well as plastic cup holders near the handle. Also, the stroller has a rather generous basket below the seat, which should be able to fit most of the necessities for your little one. This stroller folds with the push of a button for easy storage and transport. It's pretty lightweight, but still sturdy enough to hold children that are up to 3 years old. And finally at number 1, we have the J is for Jeep brand Adventure all-terrain jogging stroller. The Jeep brand hiking stroller is a great option if you want something with generous cargo capacity. There's a big basket under the seat, a plastic compartment near the handle for your phone and keys, and 2 convenient cup holders on either side of that compartment. But, all of those are the least important features of the stroller. What makes it a great option for hiking adventures is the presence of 3 very sturdy wheels. The back wheels are quite big with textured tires and a locking front wheel, making the stroller a great option for joggers. This is one of the lightest strollers out of the bunch, with a total weight of only 21 pounds. And it can still fit children that are up to 55 pounds, usually around 3 years old. Plus, it folds for easy storage, so it's one of the better options if you'd like a stroller that's also good for travel. On top of all that, the Jeep brand stroller also features a padded seat with a 5-point harness that guarantees your little one is safely tucked inside. The detachable plastic tray can stop them from getting out of the stroller on their own, and it also makes it easier to feed the kids while you're out and about. Last but not least, it's important to mention that this stroller has an extendable sun visor that will protect your child from the sun. Plus, it's compatible with car seats, allowing you to use this even with babies that aren't even 6 months old yet. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.